Hi everyone. I was quite a while off, so time to come back for a while and just some unpacking. Okay, have fun. Today we have model Unpacking C160. Let's check. That's how it looks like. Yes, nice. Yeah, for me nice as well. Okay, it's a company header. Look like this. Cool. Let me show something inside. I haven't seen it yet, because I bought it a long time ago and still didn't open up. Okay, go. Cool. Instructions. What can we see? Not so bad, I think. Quite nice details. So nice. Mostly I can see, let's say, big pictures. Should show you this way. Maybe it will be better. So, not so bad. And after that, quite quick pictures for painting and decals. So, probably it could be quite easy model. So let's check the rest stuff. Ooh. Okay, I cannot complain. I bought it as a second hand, so could happen anything. It doesn't look so bad. Nice details. I will try to check them later a bit more. Oh yeah. Not so bad. Cool. Oh. Oh, some people don't bother too much about the storage. But actually all of these things could be painted, so I won't see anything else anyway. Okay. Not so bad. See that could be a bit fun with plastic, I think, because the one way is tough, sometimes it's a bit bendy, but it looks like quite fragile in some moments. So I don't know if I should unpack all this. Okay, let's do it. Let me check for some scissors. Cool. Ow, damn it. Okay. Little cutting. Okay. Scissors back. Honestly, I expected I would be much better packing one. Okay. One already going out. Sorry. If it's fallen off, I can just check. Bit more detailed. A little bit in here which has to be a bit sanded will be okay. I believe so. Cool, these parts are not so bad. What can I say? Oh, even pilot in here. Cool. Haha. Come on. Damn it. Show yourself. Let's check this one. Oh, hell no, man. Wow. Nice details. I cannot complain, to be honest. Yeah. So, probably when I would be building this, his face will be really nasty. Because I have problem with painting faces in good shape. So, sorry, happens. So, that round doesn't look so bad. Not too many elements, to be honest, on such a big model, so I believe will be quite easy building. I cannot say will be in short time, but I will try. Cool, not so bad. Few more bits in here. Sorry, I'm too lazy to take them out today, but they just fallen off from the frame anyway. So hopefully be alright. Well, everything mostly I will see during the building if all parts are put together in one shape properly, etc. One more thing, of course, decals. Quite a few things, so should be nice. Oh, actually taken out. Nice. Okay, sorry guys, but this of course isn't typical stuff from war, just normal, so I hope that then algorithm will not do anything nasty with the movie. Cool, so that's it, let's say, and hopefully be alright. So, damn it. Okay, I will put it back together slowly. Cool, so that was Unpacking C160. Cool. Sorry guys, but for a long time I didn't record anything, and in short time I will reactivate channel. Well, channel is still active, but I didn't do anything because I was a bit busy and a bit lazy, depending what you choose. Okay, I believe that I will do some stuff like live sessions. Maybe I will be more motivated to build models, because as you can see, no llamas, sorry. Okay, you don't see llamas, there are some models which waiting. Okay, I hope they will be moved a bit more, and of course some good metal music in the background and some building. Cool, have fun, see you soon.